Children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's class, we will be discussing state and national level previous Olympiad questions from the topic number sense. Okay. Starting with the first question for today, children. With which place does a 7-digit number start in the Indian system? See, 7-digit number, right? So let us write 7 place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and remember it is the Indian system. Okay, after 10,000s we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what does which place does a 7-digit number start? 10 lakhs. Yes, the 7th place is 10 lakhs. So a 7-digit number starts with the 10 lakhs place in the Indian system. Option C is our correct answer. Next question. Identify the place with which an 8-digit number starts in the international system. A. Millions, B. 10 millions, C. 100,000s, and D. Lakhs. Again children, if you want, you can first write 8 numbers, 8 digit. Now start writing the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Remember this is the international system. So after 10,000s what do we have? 100,000s. Then we have millions and then 10 millions. Yes. So where does with which place does an 8-digit number start? From the 10 millions place. That is option B. Clear? Next. Find the place value of 0 in 36 crores 4 lakhs 85,298. If you remember children, here the 0 is in 10 lakhs place. Okay. So even though 0 is in 10 lakhs place, the place value of 0 will be 0 only. So the place value of 0, no matter in whatever place it is, it will always be equal to 0. Clear children? Yes, it will always be equal to 0 only. So option C, 0 is our correct answer. Next, find the sum of the greatest 8-digit number and the smallest 9-digit number. Now the greatest 8-digit number will be what? 8 nines. So first let me make 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now fill it all with 9s. Yes, these 8 nines will be our greatest 8-digit number. Now what is the smallest 9-digit number? See children, 9-digit number, right? So I am making 9 places for it. Now what should we do? The first digit would be 0. Sorry, the first digit will be 1. Yes, the first digit will be 1 and the remaining digits will the remaining places will be filled with zeros. That means 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. This becomes our smallest 9-digit number and 8 nines is our greatest 8-digit number. Now what should we do children? We should find out the sum. Sum means adding. Yes. So 9 plus 0, 9. All we have here is 9 plus 0. Yes or no? So 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. And lastly we have 1. What is our answer? 19 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Now what is the correct answer? Option B. 19 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999 is our sum here. Next, what is the difference of the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number? Again, what is the greatest 7-digit number? 7 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 nines. And then what will be our smallest 5-digit number? First place will be 0 and then first place we'll write 1 and then the remaining 4 places we'll fill it with zeros. So that gives our smallest 5-digit number. Now we should find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. Yes. So now we have to subtract. 9 minus 0. What is 9 minus 0? 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Now we have 9 minus 1, 8. And then the same two numbers brought down. What is our answer? 99 lakhs 89,999. That is option B is our correct answer. Next children, by how many times do the place values of digits increase from right to left in a number? Suppose if you take, yes, This is the ones place and this is the tens place. In the ones place, what will its value be? 1. Okay. In the tens place, the value will be 10. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now what are they saying? From right to left, by how many times do the place values of the digit increase? Now here we had 1, but as the digit moves to the right, its place value will be 10. By how many times did it increase? By 10 times. See, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Yes, so by 10 times the place value increases when a digit moves from right to left. So option C is our correct answer. Next question. How many crores is 10 million? See children, the easy way to solve this is first write see now 10 million is from international system and crores is from Indian system. Yes or no? Yes. So first let us write both. Let us write international first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. Okay. In the similar way, let us write the Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Yes. So here we got our 10 million. 10 million is equal to how many crores, children? Only 1 crore. Yes, 10 million is equal to 1 crore. So option B, 1 is our correct answer. Next, how many zeros follow 1 in the numeral for 10 millions? Now in the numeral for 10 millions, just now we have done here, right? Let me erase this, the Indian system. Now in 10 millions we need to find out, this is the number 10 millions. So first in 10 millions place there will be 1 and then the remaining places will be filled with zeros. Yes or no, children? Yes. So now let us count the number of zeros in 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? 10 million is an 8 digit number where 1 is in the first place and then we have 7 zeros. So how many zeros does 10 million have? It has 7 zeros. Next, identify the number name for 123080603. Now the first point to note here is what commas are placed after 3 digits, after every 3 digits. So this is in which system? Is it Indian or international? It is in international. Yes, it is in international place value system. So first let us write the place values on top of the number according to the international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, or simply what we can do, how do we read the number names, children? Depending on their periods, right? So first 3 digits are, these 3 digits are in the ones period, then we have the thousands period and then we have the millions period. Yes or no? Yes. Now how do we read that? 123 million 080. How will we read it? It becomes 8080. Yes or no? So 80, and as it is in thousands period, it becomes 80,000, and lastly we have 603. What is our answer? 123,080,603. That is nothing but option B. 123 million 8. Sorry, this is 8. Option C. 123,080,603 is our correct answer. Next, identify the equivalent of 10 crores from the following. Now first 10 crores is what? 10 crores is in Indian system, and if we look at the options are in millions. Yes, so millions are from the international system. So we need to compare both and see how much 10 crores is equal to. So first let us write the Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Then below that let us write the international system. If you remember, children, in international system till 10,000s both are same. Till 10,000s both the Indian and international systems are same. Yes or no? Yes. So you can simply skip writing this. So after 10,000 we have 100,000, then we have millions, then we have 10 millions, I am not writing it neatly, right? Wait a minute, let me write this neatly. Crores, 10 crores, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now after 10,000 we have 100,000, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now what is the equivalent of 10 crores here? We want our 10 crores. 10 crores is equal to HM, that is 100 million. Now, so what is the correct answer? Option B, 100 millions is our correct answer. Clear, children? Coming to the next question. Observe the following. Identify the missing symbol. Now what do we have here? We have two numbers and there is a box in between. We have to find out the missing symbol. Now what do they mean by the missing symbol? It can be less than, greater than or equal to. So for that we need to compare both the numbers. Yes. So what is the first step in comparing, children? First we need to count the number of digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number has 9 digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number has 8 digits. Yes, it has 8 digits and it has 9 digits. So what can we say about these two numbers? The number on the left, that is 8-digit number, is less than the number on the right, that is the 9-digit number. Yes, so the number is less than. So what should be the correct symbol? Option A, less than, is the missing symbol here. Next, what is missing in the digit? See, what is the digit here? 3-6013. If 3-6013 is equal to 3 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 3. Now if we write the place values of this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Yes. So we are having 3 is in lakhs place, expanded as 3 lakhs. Now next, what do we have in the expanded form? We are having 70,000. Yes, children. Yes, after lakhs we have the 10,000s place and we are having 70,000 in the expanded form. Now what is the face value of 70,000 which is in 10,000s place? 7. Yes or no? 7. Or simply, so the missing number is 7. Or simply what you can do is, let me erase this all. Now we know how to write the short form, right? So let us write the short form. First, the highest place is lakhs. So I am writing till lakhs. Hundreds, tens and ones. So 3 is in lakhs place. So 3. Now we have 70,000. That means 7 in 10,000s place. Then we have 6,000. 6 in thousands place. Then we have 0. 10. That means 1 is in tens place. And 3 means 3 is in ones place. So what is our answer, children? 37,613. Sorry, 3,76,013. What is the missing number here? 7. Okay, and option D is the correct answer. So this is how you can solve this problem. Next question. In 1,89,485, how many times the value of 8 in the tens place is the value of 8 in the 10,000s place? Now what are they saying? 8 in tens place. Now 8 in tens place will be equal to what? 80. Now then we have 8 in 10,000s place. 8 into 10,000, that is equal to 80,000. Now what should we do? We should find out how many times the value of this 80 is 80,000. That means when we multiply it, what number should we multiply 80 with to get 80,000? Okay. Now two ways to solve this problem are, first, if you look at the options, you can go for trial and error method. Take each option and check. First option is 10. So 80 into 10 becomes what? 8 ones are 8 and then 2 zeros. We'll have 800 only. So this is wrong. Next we have 1000. Now again 8 ones are 8. Then we have 4 zeros. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. We got what? 80,000. That is equal to the place value of 8 in 10,000's place. So what is the correct answer? Option B. The value of 8 in tens place is 1000 times the value of how many 1000 times the value of 8 in 10,000s, sorry, 1000 times the value of 8 in tens place is the value of 8 in 10,000s place. Okay, now this is one way of solving it, that is by taking the options given. So take each option and check which one is the correct one. And the other way is, now we know by multiplying with what means we have 80,000. So 8 ones are 8. Now after 8 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. But here we are having only 1 zero. So how many zeros are we missing? 3. So after 1 I will just place 3 zeros. So it will give me my 80,000. 80 into 1000 is equal to 80,000. Okay. 8 ones are 8. And then we need to have 4 zeros. 1 is already here. And 3 are kept after 1. So 80 into 1000 will be a correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the best estimate of the product 5842 into 49? What should we do? We should find out the estimate of product. If you remember this estimating, children, how do we do this? First we need to estimate the numbers and then find the product. Yes? If you look at the numbers 5842 and 49. Now 49 has only tens place as the highest place. So what we'll do, we'll round off both the numbers to their nearest tens. Look at the digit in ones place, it is 2. That is, it is less than 5. So we'll round down. The only difference we'll have here is the digit in ones place is changed with 0, is replaced with 0. Yes. Now next, coming to 49. 9 is in ones place, it is greater than 5. So we'll round up. 4 plus 1 becomes 5 and 9 becomes 0. What is it? 50. 49 rounded off to nearest 10 is 50. And 5842 rounded off to nearest 10s is 5840. Okay, children? Now next, what should we do? We should multiply these two. 5840 into 40. Into 50. Sorry, we got 50, right? Yes. Now 0 into all the numbers becomes zeros only. So I am writing zeros. Now next, 5 into. Before multiplying, we should place a 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. 2 carried. 5 eights are 40. Plus 2 becomes 42. 4 carried. 5 fives are 25. Plus 4 becomes 29. Now we shall add 0, 0, 0, 2, 9, 2. What is our final answer? 2,92,000. That is option B. So this is the best estimate of the product of 5842 and 49. Next question. Identify the smallest 7-digit number. Now what should we do here? We should find out the smallest 7-digit number. Now what is the smallest 7-digit number, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. In the first place we'll write 1 and in the remaining places we'll write zeros. So what is our smallest 7-digit number? 10 crores. That is option A. But how can we get the smallest 7-digit number? If you remember, the greatest 6-digit number plus 1. The greatest 6-digit number is 6 nines. Now when we add 1 to 8, 9 plus 1, 10. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. And lastly 9 plus 1, 10. What will we get? We'll get 10 crores. That is nothing but our smallest 7-digit number. So what is the correct answer? Option C, both A and B. Smallest 7-digit number is 10 crores, which is nothing but 1 plus the greatest 6-digit number. Clear, children? Next question. What is the difference between the place value and face value of 5 in 91,25,678? Now what should we do? We should find out the difference between place value and face value of 5 here. Now 5 is in which place? 5 is in thousands place. So its place value will be 5,000. This is our place value. Now what will be the face value, children? Face value is 5 only, right? Now let us find the difference, that means subtract. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we'll borrow. So whenever we are having like this multiple zeros, first 0 becomes 10, other zeros become 9, and the last number after 0 becomes minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So 10 minus 5, 5, 9, 9 and 4. What is our answer? 4995. That is option B. Next question. Study the following equation. What is the value of the product of the missing numbers? Now what should we find out? We should find out the value of the product of the missing numbers. 792 into 650 is equal to 800 into 650 minus dash into dash. See children, now what do we have here? 650 is the same, but here we had 792, here we are having 800. What will be the difference? 792 minus 800. It gives us 8. Yes, 800 minus 792 is equal to 8. So here what we'll have is 8 into 650. What will we have? See, we were having 792 into 650. We just needed to multiply these two. But what we did, instead of 792, we multiplied it with 800. We multiplied 650 with 800. So how much should we remove? 792 minus 800 is equal to 8. So if we remove only 8, will it be enough? No. We again need to multiply that 8 with 650. 8 into 650. So when we subtract this product from this product, then only we will get 792 into 650. So these are the missing numbers here, right? 8 into 650. Now let us find out its product. 650 into 8. 8 zeros are 8. 8 fives are 45. Sorry, 8 fives are 40. 0 here, 4 carried. 8 6 are 48 plus 4 becomes 52. I am so sorry children. 650 into 8, right? 8 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. 0 here, 4 carried. 8 6 are 48 plus 4 becomes 52. What is our final answer? 5200. Now let us check the options. Yes, we have it. Option C is our correct answer. Clear children? Yes, only subtracting 8 won't be enough. As we have multiplied 800 with 650, we need to multiply 8 also with 650. Option C, 5200 will be a correct answer. Moving on to next question. What is the difference between the smallest 6-digit odd number and the largest 4-digit even number? Now what is the smallest 6-digit number? First let us find that out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 1 and the remaining are zeros. Yes. Now what is this? This is an even number. It is having 0 in the units place. So this will be our even number. Let us add 1 to it. We will go for the next number. What will it become? It becomes 1,01,000. Now is this odd? It is having 1 in the units place. So yes, it is an odd number. So this is our smallest 6-digit odd number. 1,01,000 is our smallest 6-digit odd number. Now coming to the greatest 4-digit even number. Now the largest 4-digit number is 9999. Now what happens if we add 1 to it? We'll get 10,000, which becomes our 5-digit number, but we want a 4-digit number. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 1. See here 9 is in the units place. It is an odd number. So this number is an odd number, but we want an even number. So 9 minus 1, 8, 9, 9, 9. Now in 9998, 8 is in the units place. It is an even number. So we got our largest 4-digit even number as well. Now what should we do? We should find out the difference. 1,01,000 minus, sorry, what was it? It was the smallest 6-digit number. Yes, 1,01,000 minus 9998. When we subtract, 1 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll borrow 11 minus 8 to 3, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, and then lastly we have 9. What is our answer? 90,003. Do we have it in the options? Yes. Option B, 90,003 is our correct answer. Clear, children? The smallest 6-digit odd number and the largest 4-digit even number. Next question. For which digit is the place value and face value always the same? Now suppose if we remember about 0, children, let us look at the options. Option A is 0. If you remember about 0, what is the place value of 0? No matter in whichever place it is, its place value will always be equal to 0. Yes or no? Yes. Now what about the face value of 0? The face value is also equal to 0. Now what are we observing here? The place value and face value is always the same. Which number it is? It is the digit 0. So for 0, place value and face value are always the same. Clear? Next, find the numeral for 60 million 6. First, what it is? 60 million. So that means 10 million is the highest place value. So let us write till there. And millions means it is in the international system. Yes, so let us write the international systems place values. 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. Now what are they saying? 60 million. 60 means 6 is in the 10 millions place. And then we have 66. 60 means what? 6 in tens place. 6 in tens place becomes 60. And then lastly we have 6. That means 6 is in the ones place. Now what about the remaining numbers? Is there anything said about the remaining numbers or the remaining places? No. So what will we do? We'll just place zeros. Yes. Now let us place the commas and see. 6 0, then 6 0 0 0 0 0 6 6 is our final answer. Yes, children, if you look at the options, which is the same as this? Option B, 60 000 066 is the numeral for 60 million 66. Next question, which of the following numbers has the greatest value for digit 5? See, greatest value for digit 5. Now first let us find out the place value, the place in which 5 is in the given numbers. Here it is in hundreds place, here it is in thousands, here it is in tens, and it is in 10,000s. Now which is the highest place among hundreds, thousands, tens and 10,000s? 10,000s, yes. So obviously this number 76,53,231 has the greatest value for digit 5. Here the value becomes 500, here it becomes 5,000, here it is 50, and here it is 50,000. Yes, so option D is our correct answer, where the value for digit 5 is the highest. Clear, children? Moving on to the next question. The digits 6, 0, 3, 7, 6 and 9 are arranged to form the greatest possible 6-digit odd number. Now find the difference in the value of 2 digits 6. See, what are they saying? We are having 1, 2, 6 digits here. Now these are to be arranged to form the greatest possible 6-digit odd number. Now how to find out how to form the greatest number, children? First we have to place the digits in descending order, that is from big to small. 9, 7, then we have 2 6s, and then 3 0. Yes, so this will be our greatest. Wait a minute. Yes, so this will be our greatest 6-digit number. But what do we want here? The greatest possible 6-digit odd number. If you look at this, 0 is in the ones place. Now this is a odd number. So this 0 is an even number. So the whole number becomes an even number. But we want what? We want an odd number. If you look just beside it, we are having 3 here, which is an odd number. Yes, so let us interchange places. Instead of 3, we'll write 0 and instead of 0 we'll write 3. Now this becomes the greatest possible 6-digit odd number with the given digits. Now what should we do? We should find out the difference in the value of two 6 digits. This is 0, yes. Now here one 0 is in hundreds place and the other is in thousands place. Its value becomes 6000 and this value becomes 600. Now let us find the difference. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6 is not possible, borrowing. 10 minus 6, 4 and 5. Yes children. So this is 5400. That is the value of the difference. So the difference in the value of two digits 6. Option A 5400 is our correct answer. Next we have which of the following is equal to 75 into 100. Now what is the product of 75 into 100 children? 7500. Yes, after 1 we are having 2 zeros here. So we have placed 2 zeros. 7500 is our answer. Now coming to the options, option A is 75 into 20 into 5. Now if you look at the 75 is same. Now so let us keep that aside. Now what do we have here? 20 into 5. 25s are 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 25s are 100. So what can we write this as? See, we have 75 into 20 into 5. Yes. Now what did we get for 20 into 5? 100. So instead of 20 into 5, I'll write 100. Isn't it the same as in the given question? 75 into 100? Yes. So option A is our correct answer. Now if you want, you can check why option B, C are not the correct answers. Now here we have plus and multiplication. Yes children, according to the BODMAS rule, now multiplication should be done first. So we'll multiply 5 into 100 becomes 500. So this becomes 70 plus 500. That will be nothing but 570. So this is the wrong answer. Next 75 into 10 plus 90. Again here also multiplication is to be done first. 75 into 10 becomes 750. Then we need to add 90. It becomes what? It becomes 840. So C is also the wrong answer. Okay children. In the same way here, when you multiply these two and then add, the product will be different than 7500. So all these are wrong options. Only option A is our correct one. Next question. The odometer of a car shows 9232 kilometers. How many thousand kilometers is the reading? 9232 kilometers. Now they are asking how many thousand kilometers is the reading. How many thousands children? 9,000s. Yes. So option D 9,000 is our correct answer, or it means that they are asking us to find out the estimate. Now to round it off to the nearest thousands, we look at the digit in hundreds place. We have 2 here which is less than 5. So we round down, 9 written as it is, and then we'll write 3 zeros. So how many thousands? 9,000s is our answer, option D. Next question. Find the value of 100 10,000s, 65 thousands, 50 hundreds and 2 ones. Okay. Now what is this first one? 100 10,000s. So this will be our 100 and then 10,000s. See, 100 is in which place? 100 is in 100 10,000s becomes, this is our 10,000s place. Then we have thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So this will be our 100 10,000s. These are our 100 10,000s, and in the remaining places we are having zeros. Then 65 thousands. 65. Sorry, why did I place commas here? Yes. So 65,000, and then we have 50 hundreds. 50 hundreds. Sorry. 50 hundreds. Yes. Again, see, this is the hundreds place. So we are writing 50 here into 100 and 2 ones. Now we should add all of these. 2, 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carried, 1 plus 6, 7, 0, 1. What is our final answer? 10 lakh 70,002. Option B. Clear children? or else you can multiply 100 into 10,000. What will you get? 1 ones are 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So this becomes 110,000s. Next we have what? We have 65,000s. So 65 into 1000. So this becomes 65 ones are 65 and then 3 zeros. That is what we have written here, 65 with 3 zeros. Now 50 hundreds. 50 into 100. 5 ones are 5, then 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 5,000, that is what we have written here, and lastly 2. So after writing all the values, we added up and we got 10,70,002 as our answer. Clear, children? So that is all for today. I hope today's class was clear, and in tomorrow's class again we'll discuss few more previous Olympiad questions. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for